What is Microsoft Planner? Microsoft Planner is a web-based tool for work management. It is an Office 365 service. This easy-to-use tool makes it possible to plan tasks and handle small projects without complex planning effort. With Microsoft Planner, you can efficiently assign and organize times and tasks. You can also set deadlines, share files and, of course, team members can communicate with each other. Microsoft Planner can be best compared with tools such as Asana or Trello. However, this tool for work management has the important advantage of integration into the Microsoft 365 environment, including interfaces with Outlook, SharePoint, and Teams among others. Who is Microsoft Planner for? Microsoft Planner is a suitable tool for the following use cases: managing small projects, agile approaches like Kanban or Scrum. No resources or capacities need to be managed. No dependencies between the tasks are required. Linking project online client via a standard interface or via third-party tools. Many companies already use agile frameworks to execute tasks in iterations. Microsoft Planner offers the full flexibility necessary for this purpose. You can structure the plans individually, depending on your requirements, e.g. by phases, topics, or areas. Features of the Microsoft Planner: better organized with tasks by topics. In contrast to an ordinary task list, Planner allows you to design and structure all tasks visually. They can be displayed in theme-related sections, buckets, columns. You can name these buckets individually. Schedule view and Outlook integration in Microsoft Planner. After your task has a start or due date, you can view it in a calendar in Planner using the schedule view. You can also choose to display your Planner calendar in Outlook. Always keep track thanks to dashboards. Each plan in Microsoft Planner includes a dashboard. This is where you can analyze tasks according to their status or belonging to a plan. You keep an overview of all open or completed tasks. Different charts visualize project progress and show which tasks are overdue. What to use Microsoft Planner for? In terms of the complexity of a project and the team size, Microsoft Planner sits somewhere between Microsoft To Do and Microsoft Project/Project Online, which is more challenging and much more powerful. Microsoft To Do: this is an individual tool for task management. Currently, you can merely create your own to-do lists, which makes the tool useful for individuals only. Microsoft To Do is a further development of Wunderlist and focuses on the individual productivity of a person. Microsoft Planner: using Microsoft Planner, you can create a plan, assign tasks, compile a team and update the status of the associated tasks. Agile work methods are supported, for example with the Kanban board on which tasks can be moved using drag and drop. Microsoft Planner is of great benefit when used within a team, but also for the individual representation of the tasks assigned to one person. Project Online: Project Online is the full-fledged tool for project, portfolio, and resource management. Mapping dependencies between processes and recalculating the entire schedule in case of delays, as well as a central resource pool, are only three of the many differences compared to Microsoft Planner. Overview of the Microsoft Planner infrastructure: when you create a new plan in Microsoft Planner, you automatically generate a Microsoft 365 group with all its components. This facilitates communication concerning task scheduling and the management of documents and notifications.